traders. Hoping you guys are on. Good day, traders. This is Master FX Shifu from the Universal Forex Dojo. Let's hop onto the charts and see what we've got for the day. Now, before we do that, let's check out the Wushu 2.0.
Automate your entire trade management process with the most advanced tool on the market. Remove emotions, perfect execution, all instruments. Trade the Asian session, London session, and New York session in your sleep. Spend less than 2 hours on charts and allow the Wushu to trade for you through all sessions. Wushu 2.0 features: auto place, stop orders, auto break even, auto partials, auto trail stop, proprietary auto exit strategy. How it all works. Step 1. Analyze your charts and set up your trade ideas. Step 2. Input your trade setups, entry point, stop loss, and risk. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Wushu do all the work through all sessions. Summary: the Wushu will position size for you, auto place stop order, move stop to break even, take partials for you, trail stop, limit max loss for the day. Auto hedge new feature. The Wushu 2.0 auto hedge mode will hedge every position you take. It will manage the 2 positions using the Dojo proprietary exit mode. The Wushu will proceed to close the losing position and take profits from the winning position. The Wushu 2.0 auto hedge mode is set to close at 1.5 R of every position it takes. Take your trading to the next level with the Wushu 2.0. Get our tool, uniforexdojo.com. info@uniforexdojo.com.
Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. This is Master FX Shifu from the Universal Forex Dojo. Let us see what we have today. Let's see if we can get anything. Seems like we haven't been having a bit of a better week, for the lack of better words. But yeah, do drop me your comments on the side there. If you can see my screen, if you can hear my voice, just drop me a message there. Then I can definitely get started. Okay. Also drop your pairs. Drop the pairs that you guys want me to look at today. And let's see if we can find something decent, something beautiful, something worthy. Then we can definitely hop on. This is yesterday's UCAD. I'm actually going to clean up because price literally dismantled our price points and left us. So that was nothing we can do about that. But we believe in the process. We trust in the process and ensure that as we keep going and trading, consistency will take everything for us. We don't allow a couple of losses to disorientate us, to move us from our process. And that's the beauty about following a process-driven approach. Okay. Let me start with gold here and just see what gold will give us. And hopefully we'll find something. Let's check out the daily, see how the daily is looking. Okay, we had a massive drop here, massive imbalance heading to the downside, grabbing all this liquidity at the bottom actually. taking these these equal lows here. Sorry about that. Yep, right here. Actually even further, some liquidity just grabbed right now. And let's see if we can have it push up to the upside to grab some orders and tank. Let's see how the 4 hours looking. Yeah, we do have a BOS right chain leaving a massive imbalance there. So I'm seeing something happening here. But also there is some liquidity right here. Right here. It's chilling right there. So should understand that. Would probably want to get in once it's taken and not before. And that's where now our momentum trading comes in place. That's where you want to make sure that you literally get patient and allow the setup to follow this process. I think for this one, it's a 4 hour. Let's see how the 30-minute is looking. I'm not going to go a bit too tight on it because you still want price to actually go through it first before coming down. As you can see, it will be filling up all these gaps here along the way. And once it does get into a zone, we'll wait for it. And of course, allow price to smash through it, triggering us. And yeah, basically that's about it. And that's how we'll be approaching gold today. No, I clicked the wrong button there. Anyway, okay. So that's us on gold. There we go. And then moving forward, still waiting for your setups on the side there. But moving forward, nah, shucks. Okay, moving forward, we'll have let's go to the US 30 and US 100. Okay, let's check what's happening on the daily first. Price still hasn't gotten to the top part there, but we should see it getting there soon. And as it does that, we'll just be there waiting for it on the daily. But on the 4 hour, let's see how the 4 hours looking. Okay, nothing decent there. I do have a BOS here. Some liquidity at the bottom. This is a 4 hour BOS right here, leaving us with some imbalances there. This would be a highly risky trade, but of course you can always try and work around it to make it much better. This is unmitigated. That's a bit mitigated there, so I'm just gonna keep at that. Let's see how the 15 is looking. Yeah, I think we're just going to leave it as that. Okay, so we'll have something along these lines, but like I said, this will be a slightly higher risky trade. So what we'll be doing here, I'm going to put on some alerts as well, is we're going to wait for price to actually get into the zone, and then once it gets into the zone, we're going to try find structure in the 15 or 5 minute time frames, and of course we'll wait for it to just start giving us that, and then pick up some orders to the upside, because there's a high chance we might have price come to grab all this liquidity here first before pushing to the upside or even going down. So you don't want to get caught up in that. We'll be confirming that trade just like that. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, guys. Hope that makes sense. There we go. Beautiful. And then let's take a look at US 30. US 30. Sorry about that. Also starting on the high time frame, starting to pick up what's happening here. We still have the high here, so that's still I don't know what happened there. Let me just, oh, we lost this one yesterday. Okay, we won this big one. Okay, let me just mark it. Actually, we lost this one here. I'm just gonna mark that, and then this one hit 4R. So basically price went through it, triggered the setup, went up, hitting 4R, and then coming down. So I said way sooner than that. I don't know if people actually did try getting again here, but we did not. So that's it. I'm just gonna actually have to move it a bit right here. Because it's not gonna make sense for me all the way there, but that's it. But I see we do have something on the 30 minute, something beautiful actually. We have a decent BOS over there. We've got some nice imbalances at the top side over there, and we're probably going to use this candle here, and then let's drop onto the lower time frame, probably the 5 minute, and then try and refine it to either that one over there. It looks like the only unmitigated one. This one also looks pretty decent, but it's too close. And this is a 30 minute, by the way. It's a 30 minute, so let's just be careful of that. And then it's gonna look something like that. Beautiful. Okay, so we'd have a setup in this region here. Okay, there we go. Put an image in new tab. Brilliant. We'll be following that one. Okay, I don't know if I didn't do the US 100, did I? I didn't. Sorry about that. Also based off the 4 hour. Okay, brilliant. And then we're just gonna do one more pair. Euro USD. Okay. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Don't forget to like the stream. Okay, so Euro USD, like I keep saying, it's very, very personal. But I think we should be able to find something in this setup here. Then just gonna go into the 1 hour. I picked that up from the 4 hour, by the way, guys, not the 1 hour as usual. Okay, we're gonna use that one over there, and we should be good from here. Yep, definitely. And we have a setup that looks like that. Okay, no, that was picked up from the higher time frame actually. I think it was, yep, that was from the daily. And then on the 4 hour, because as I scrolled in, I just saw something as well. So we have this region here, and so with a massive imbalance here, there is some liquidity laying here. think we're actually going to leave it to that one. This one will be slightly higher risk, but we can refine it as well. Remember, as long as you manage your risk well, you should be good. Don't worry about that. Okay, and then we start hopping over there. This is on the 1 hour. Still 1 hour. There we go. Then we'd have something that looks like that. Then, of course, head into the downside. There we go. Beautiful setup right there. There we go. Perfect. And that's about it for the day, guys. Don't forget to like the stream. I'll check you guys tomorrow, same time. And we can definitely see how these setups play out. Don't forget to check out the bootcamp. Don't forget to check out our signals. And happy trading, guys. Cheers.